Yes, good evening students, all of you. It's a long time. So today we are start one new lesson, JEE mains and Eamcet level, advanced level, the most important topic in trigonometry. That topic name is maximum and minimum values of f of x. That problem structure, expression structure, a cos x plus b sin x plus c, where a, b, c are the real constant, that means numbers. X is the variable, that means angle. Variable is, in my point of view, you can treat that variable as one dustbin. Variable means you can take any value, na? That can take any value. So dustbin, variable is nothing but my simple language, dustbin. Dustbin can take anything. So same phenomena, variable. So x belongs to R. Now this is the, like that, this is the one function. For this function, what is the maximum value? What is the minimum value? So maximum value, formula c plus under root of a square plus b square. C means constant term. Next student, minus c plus root over a square plus b square. This is the maximum value. This is the minimum value. I think majority students, they are struggling in this part particularly. What is the vocabulary? Yes students, now I am saying, don't get confusion students, all of you. Don't make that obvious mistakes. That means, what is the synopsis word? Maximum, minimum. What is the synopsis words students? That is, number one, maximum and minimum of this function f of x. That is the one kind of vocabulary, pronunciation. Maximum and minimum. Same phenomena. What is the greatest and least values of f of x? Greatest and least value of f of x. Or in my local language, Telugu language, that means our boundaries. What are the boundaries of one function? That is also you can kind of say. Next, range. This is the mathematical terminology, range. For example, India ki boundaries Kashmir to Kanyakumari, like that. A lower boundary, upper boundary. So for f of x function, what is the range? This is the range of f of x. So maximum anna, minimum anna same, greatest and least anna same, a range of f of x anna same. This is also one technical term, extreme values. Extreme values of f of x. Most important. So ఈ 4-5 points లో 1, 2, 3, 4 points లో ఏదడిగిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఒకటే. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ స్ట్రక్చర్, ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఎవ్రీ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ దిస్ ఫార్మెట్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ సైన్. ఈ బాక్స్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద మ్యాండేటరీ రూల్. సమझना స్టూడెంట్స్? ఏ సైన్, ఏ కాస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ బి సైన్ ఎక్స్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద కాస్, ఓకే. ఏ కాస్ ఎక్స్, a cos of x plus b sin of x, that is not the issue, no problem. So a cos of, my name is Ravi, a cos of Ravi plus b sin of Ravi plus c. So when you are solving the problems, once check that these two angles same or kada, whether it is same or not. That is your first duty students. Now I am saying crystal clear. Once listen my class, then you can do any problem. So any problem you have to convert that a cos of your name, b sin of your name plus c. Mandatory, these two dabbas are same. This is the most important today big learning point. Any problem. In trigonometry, squares are there. Squares, you have to convert it without squares. Because the original structure, there is no square. Original structure, there is no square students. Right. Next, one more student mistake. You know that sin x function, like that cobra, that is the structure, snake structure. Sin x maximum value plus 1, minimum value. For example students, this is a function f of x. F of x is equal to sin x. Sin x maximum value, sin x maximum value plus 1. Minimum value minus 1. This is the minimum students, this is the maximum. Next, minus 1 sin of x plus alpha. less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 sin of 5x plus theta less than or equal to 1. Whatever that, you have to multiply any number in the angle, to the angle. So it does not affect that answer. So irrespective of this angle, ఏమున్నా నీకు సంబంధం లేదు students. So what is the maximum value, minimum value? Maximum value 1, minimum value minus 1. So ఇది effect కాదు. When you are multiplying that before the function, that can impact that. Answer will be changed automatically. So finally what I want to say that to students, ఈ యాంగిల్ మీద మీరు ఏమున్నా అనవసరం, ఈ యాంగిల్. సో సైన్ ఫంక్షన్ హమేషా లైస్ బిట్వీన్ -1 and +1. Sin 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, whatever, sin 100x always lies between -1 and +1. That is the maximum value, minimum value. Sir, how to prove that result, sir? How? Now I will prove that result. Yes. Likho beta, all of you, listen, right. Yes, now I am going to prove this result, students. Shall I rub? And observe that this vocabulary. This 4 kind of vocabulary important. Extreme values is also maximum, minimum. Most important 4. This 4 is not information is there in any video. I am giving that 4 points. Right. Yes, now I am taking students, that is the expression f of x, solution or how, proof. F of x is equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c. Students, now I am taking that one polar coordinate system. What is the polar coordinate system? It is a very useful in complex calculation problems. We will use that polar coordinate system, students. What is the polar coordinates? This is the polar coordinates. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Yes, students, this is the right angle triangle, this is the theta, this is the r distance from origin to this point is a comma b. You know that, students, OPM, for right angle triangle OPM, this length is r cos theta, horizontal component, this is r sin theta. You know that? How, sir? For right angle triangle, apply this. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side a, this length a, this length is b, a by r. So a is equal to r cos theta, students, r cos theta, a is equal to r cos x, your angle is x, okay, r cos x. Next same, b is equal to r sin x, this is the concept, okay. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square is equal to r square. R square is equal to, students, a square plus b square. R value, the distance, a square plus b square. What is the tan theta, students? Tan theta is means theta is nothing but x, b by a. X is equal to, x is nothing but angle, students, here, b by a. Okay, this is the concept. So this entire is polar coordinate system. X coordinate in geometry equivalent to trigonometry, cos x ki equal. X coordinate, a is x coordinate, a is equal to r cos x, b is equal to r sin x. So students, forever x is nothing but cos forever, sin like this, okay. A is x coordinate, y coordinate, ordered pair. This is. Now I am putting these values to students. Now f of x is equal to, in the place of a, a is equal to r cos x, a cos x plus b sin x plus c, or a cos, yeah, better to take that theta angle, students. This is somewhat already theta, cos theta, different theta, okay. Yeah, a in the place r cos theta into cos x, b r sin theta into sin x plus c. Yeah, theta means angle, tan theta. It's a little bit mistake students, okay, right. From first two terms क्या common आया है students? What will come beta answer? Common ఏం వస్తుంది? So now I am taking that common r common, r into after left cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b formula cos of a minus b. Yes students, a little bit doubt will occur. This can be reduced into sin also, sin of a plus b or sin of a minus b. That is not the issue. Sin ki cos ki same boundaries, okay, right. We know that minus 1 less than or equal to cos of x minus theta is less than or equal to 1. In before r is there students, r, so multiply r into cos of x minus theta is less than or equal to r. Now c adding students, c minus c or minus r plus c is less than or equal to r is nothing but a total function, r cos of x minus theta plus c is less than or equal to r c plus root over a square plus c plus r. Check that all of you. So r is nothing but students what? R is nothing but, so c minus root over a square root plus b square root is less than or equal to f of x is less than or equal to c plus root over a square plus b square. This is the maximum value, this is the minimum value of this function. Every problem is converted to this. Now I will tell you some more concepts, so that means by using, first I will do one problem based on this one students. Come on, right. You should remember a cos x plus b sin x or a sin x plus b cos x, that is not the problem. So maximum value, this is the minimum value, okay. Remember all of you students, come on, right. Shall I run? Check once better. Yes, we will do some problems based on this one. Yes students, find maximum and minimum. Question, find maximum, minimum, find maximum and minimum. Number 1, function f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. Second problem, f of x is equal to 3 sin 2 theta plus 4 cos 2 theta plus c. Yes, what is the maximum value, minimum value? That means extreme values, students, extreme values, okay. Yes, I am doing. The first one students, f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. There is no c. A cos coefficient as per the data a, our calculation. Sin coefficient b, constant 0, not there. So what is the maximum value, minimum value? Maximum value. So c plus root over a square plus b square. This is the 0 plus root over 1 square 1. So this is the root 2. So minimum value students, minimum value c minus root over a square plus b square, 0 minus 1 plus 1. So minus, so maximum value, minimum value, you can finalize the answer. Finally answer, interval you should maintain. Final answer minus root 2 closed interval, comma plus root 2. This is the answer of that first problem, okay. So remember that my observation, students, first of all, x same, x sin 2x cos 2x is there, so totally different. So don't make the obvious mistake, my dear students. So x same, that is the most important thing. First your eye contact is, this is the observation. Next, here also same observation, sin 2x 2 theta, same, then go for like this. Okay, shall I run? Right. Yes, students, now I will do that second one, students. Come on, try yourself. The second one is, this is the A and B. This is A 3 sin 2 theta plus 3 sin 2 theta plus 2. C is nothing but plus 2. This is the C. Okay, this is the answer. Now apply that, students. Maximum value C plus under root of A square plus B square. So 2 plus under root of A square plus B square, 9 plus 16, 25. 25 is nothing but 5, maximum value 7. So mini means like that, minimum value C minus root over A square plus B square, 2 minus root over 9 plus 16. So 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3. So the final answer, minimum value. You have to write that interval always minimum, don't write maximum. Minimum, always interval minimum value to maximum value. Okay, now students? Right. This is the problem. Yeah. Shall I rub, students? Yeah. Yes, students, now I am saying that one authentic shortcut, that means any complicated problems, by using this technique to get that maximum value, minimum value. When you are observing that sin cos, sin head paina, cos head paina, even numbers, that is the mandatory rule. So this is authentic rule is applicable only even numbers, to like 4, like that, whatever. Now I will do based on this one. Observe that any platform, that means all materials, everything, market all materials, observe that. My shortcut is not there, but also check that whether it is right or wrong. Okay. So now I will do that. Previous JEE mains question is also lengthy question actually, derivative procedure, without calculation, just by observing this technique. So 100% guarantee question I am giving the surety. This method is very important. Okay, students. Now this is actually this problem of sin power 6x, cos power 6x. This is converted into without powers. That is equivalent to 1 minus 3 sin square x cos square x. Again 2 multiply jumbling. Going something lengthy, nearly half page will come this solution. But by using this authentic shortcut, to get that maximum value, to get maximum, put theta in the sense x is equal to 90, f of x is equal to, that means f of x function sin 90, 1 cos 90, 0. So maximum value 1. For this function maximum value 1. Next, to get minimum, x is equal to pi by 4. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole power 6 plus 1 by root 2 whole power 6. Then what is the answer, students? 1 by root 2 whole power 6, 1 by 2 power 6 by 2 cube. This will becomes 6. This can be written as a 1 by 2. 6 by 2, root is nothing but 1 by 2 students, cube. So 2 cube. The answer will come here 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 2 by 8. 2 by 8. The answer is 1 by 4. Now check that any book, any material, this method is not there. So to get is, therefore final answer students, final answer, first write minimum 1 by 4 comma 1. So for this function, range, boundaries, extreme values, maxima, minima, a vocabulary is just a question same. So 1 by 4 comma 1, 1 by 4 comma 1, clear? Final answer 1 by 4 comma 1, easy. In other all books, check that lengthy solution is there, okay? Is it clear students? Is the best method, okay, for finding that maxima, minima. Yeah, right beta? Yes students, one more problem based on this one. Actually, 3 problems I will tell you. This is the second one. Actually sin square theta, cos power 4 theta. This is also little bit time taking. Either even power is there. When sin cos even power is there, go for like this. No doubt at all students, pakka. So here f of, to get maximum, theta is equal to 90, sin 90 1, cos 90 0. So maximum value 1. Yes, to get minimum, theta is equal to pi by 4. Come on, pi by 4 substitution. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square root. So this is the 1 by 2. Next, cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2, but it is a power 4. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2, this can be written as 2 power 4 by 2. This get cancelled. So 1 by 2 plus 2 square 1 by 4. Take out LCM 4 students. 2 2 ja plus 1. So 3 by 4. So final answer, minimum value, interval structure, minimum value 3 by 4, closed, comma, maximum value 1. This boundary, this function ka boundary, lower boundary, upper boundary, maximum, minimum, extreme values, everything. Okay students, best approaching. Right, likho beta. I will tell you the JEE strong problem. So this is the best problem. Refer that in all materials. They are doing little bit one page this problem. So this kind of problem is also solved by my method, RC method. That means short technique. 100% it is an authenticated method. That means, yes students, that is the answer solution. To get maximum, maximum value, put theta is equal to 90, u is equal to, students, 90 degrees. Because sin cos takes that to maximum 90 na, sin cos intersecting at pi by 4. So to get that logic behind that, pi by 4 will give minimum, sin 90 will give maximum. That is the background phenomena. Cos 90 0, sin 90 1. So if this is the 0, this is the root b square get cancelled. So b will come. This is the b. Okay. Plus next sin 91, cos 90 0, root a square will come, a. So that the maximum u square is equal to a plus b whole square. This is the maximum value. Okay. Maximum value. To get minimum value, theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree. U is equal to under root of cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square 1 by 2. So a square root by 2 plus b square root by 2. Same repeated again. Root of a square root by 2 plus b square by 2. 2 times root will come. Say a 2 times under root of a square root plus b square root by 2. Now they are asking that square. Now square is equal to 4 a square plus b square by 2. Get cancelled. The finally answer 2 into a square plus this is the minimum. They are asking that difference of maximum and minimum. Difference of maximum and minimum they are asking. Okay students? Yeah, come on, write. That is the difference. Maximum value minus minimum value difference. I will write. Okay? Difference means either maximum minimum or minimum minus. Apply that modulus finally. That is the answer. Okay? Shall I write? Now I am writing this part here. Maximum value minus minimum value square u square. Maximum of u square minus minimum of u square. This is. Now students, maximum of u square or minimum of u square, no problem. Now 2 times 2a square plus 2b square. Maximum or minimum, no problem. I am minus expanding a plus b whole square. A square b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now this can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. The total answer will come a minus b whole square. This is the final answer. Best approaching, dear students. Please follow these rules. So never fails. When sine cos ka even powers is there, go for like this to get maximum and minimum. Okay? Forever applicable. Right. Or otherwise derivative concept to so simplification is long, very it's taken some lengthy. Lamba hota. Okay beta? Right. That is our final answer is a minus b whole square. Yes students, this is one more short tricks. Observe that sine ki cos ki powers. That means, listen here. That means students, sine square x cosecant square x reciprocal. Here functions reciprocals. Be careful. Sine ki reciprocal, cosecant ki reciprocal sine. When sine it's reciprocal, cos it's reciprocal, tan it's reciprocal. Go for like this. So 2 root AB is the minimum, infinity is the maximum value. Sir, how to remember that? Simple students. Reciprocality is there. AM is greater than or equal to GM. For example, what is the maximum and minimum value of this function? AM, 2 numbers ka AM is greater than or equal to 2 numbers ka GM. This is the format. So x plus 1 by x whole by 2 is greater than or equal to x 1 by x. When you are applying this one, when reciprocal is there, x 1 by reciprocal. So reciprocal unte go for like this students. So x plus 1 by x is greater than or equal to 2. This is the minimum value of this function. Function its reciprocal sum, x sum of its reciprocal is minimum value will give 2. So you can see that graphically is also. So AM is greater than or equal to GM. This is the series and sequence. Arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. That one famous result is there. So we will use this all by using a derivative is also. Okay? We will discuss later. First important point of view, this is the way. So students, this is the phenomena. This is the secant square get cancelled. 2 root AB will come. Same answer. A sin square x plus B cosecant square x by 2 is greater than or equal to A, B, sin square, cosecant square get cancelled. Sin reciprocal. So 2. Then this is the value. Then cross multiply 2 root AB. This is the AM is greater than or equal to GM. That's the background phenomena. Okay, now students. So now solve this problem. Solve this problem. Yeah. Same application. Just I am doing that one problem. Remaining try yourself. So maximum value, minimum value. This is the A now students. This is the B. So minimum value is 2 root AB. 2 root AB. 4, 9, 36. 36 means 6 is the 12. So maximum value is infinity. So final answer students. Finally answer. So 12 closed interval, infinity is always open interval. Infinity is not a number, it is open interval forever in your life. This is the maximum, minimum. Okay, students, come on, right. You can do more problems based on that one. When this is applicable only, just reciprocality is there. Yes, students, one more important concept. X value lies between -2 to +2. For example, negative number to positive number. This is the x is the x-axis going from -2 to +2. But mod x is always lies between 0 to 2. Mod can never take that negative region. Mod x square like that. Positive, mod x can take positive. So negative region cut kar. This part, mod x is 0 to 2. So be careful, mod x graph always 0 to infinity. This is the concept. Same phenomena. I am going to apply this one. Mod. First, as usual, without modulus, what is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? Solution, students. This is f of theta. Without modulus cos theta minus 12 sin theta. Yes, what is the formula, students? This is the A, this is the B. So maximum value C plus 0. Okay, so therefore root over A square plus B square, maximum A square 25 plus 144, 169 is the 39. 169 ka square root 13, maximum value 13. Next minimum value, so minus will come, 25 plus 144, so minus 30. This is the answer is minus 13 is less than or equal to 5 cos theta minus 12 sin theta is less than or equal to 30. Actually this is the answer, students, but you are applying that modulus, so negative part cut kar. When you are applying that modulus, negative region complete ban jaye. So that means modulus of 5 cos theta minus 12 sin theta na, is less than or equal to, that means 0 is less than or equal to 30. So minimum value 0, maximum value 30. This is the mod nature, mod graph. Observe this. This is the mod above, never below the x-axis, 0 to positive number. So answer is negative region. 0 to minus 13 to plus 13 is nothing but in between 0 is there, minus 1 minus 2 is there. So cut kar negative region. So starting number 0 to 30. This is not. Next. Same. Next one also. Same. Apply this mod. Next one. 12 adding both side. 12 less than or equal to. Second sum answer, students. 5 cos theta. Okay, I will do. I think it is not visible. Okay, come on. Now I will do second one. Just adding beta. Both sides 12 adding. Second one solution. 12 is less than or equal to mod 5 cos theta minus 12 sin theta is less than or equal to 12 plus 13 adding, so total 35. So minimum value 12, maximum value 25. 12, 25. Be careful, students. Minimum 12, maximum. This problem. This is also never take negative. Same, first find that as usual routine procedure. Same like that modulus such a. Come on. Third problem I am doing. Third problem solution. F of theta is equal to don't expanding. First of all, cos theta calculation. 3 sin theta. What is the maximum value? Root over minus root over a square. A is nothing but 1. B is nothing. 9 square 10. Root 10 is less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 sin theta is less than or equal to root 10. This is a minimum, this is a maximum. But you are doing that square problem. When you square cos theta plus 3 sin theta whole square is less than or equal to 10. So minimum value 0, maximum value 10 for this problem. When one kind of all are JEE mains level, not board level. Okay. When mod is there, be careful. Mod is there, square is there, negative part never becomes. Okay. Right. Shall I rub, students? Yes, students, what I have done that all the problems today lecture is the best problems, typical problems. Remaining problems are very easy. Do that problems. Okay, work out. So this is the one of the most important top article, but finally maximum and minimum. When you are observing that quadratic equation cos theta, quadratic equation sin theta, now I can say that one short technique, students. Yes, listen, be careful. This is first I am taking that f of theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay. You know that quadratic equation, students. Quadratic equation, let cos theta is equal to t, like this. Now this is the quadratic equation, 2t square plus t minus 1. This is, okay. This is like that f of t, one quadratic equation. You know that quadratic equation, to get maximum value, minimum value for this problem, students. Concept, put t value minus 1, t equal to plus 1, t is equal to minus b by 2a, minus b minus 1 by a, b, c, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c minus b by 2a. It is the quadratic, means vertex, this particular, sir, what is this, sir? I can't understanding that, minus b by 2a, b, 2, a is nothing but 2, so minus 1 by 4. Put these all the three values, sin ki, cos ki, maximum value, minimum value, minus 1 plus 1 better. Sir, why you are substituting this part? Because this is quadratic equation turning point. Vertex lo x coordinate minus b by 2a. Okay, we will discuss later this one in application of derivative. This is the minus. Now substitute, students. This is f of minus 1. What is the answer? 2 into minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 1. So answer is 0 will come. Next 1, substituting. 2 plus 1, either 1, 1, 2 plus 1, minus 1, 2 will come. Next f of minus 1 by 4. Come on. 2 into minus 1 by 4, 1 by 16, minus 1 by 4, minus 1. This is the expression. Don't take this part, just equal to expression, students. 8. So 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. 8 LCM. 8 LCM. 1 minus 2 minus 8 by 8. Kitna beta answer? 1 minus 2 minus 8. Yes. Minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8. Among these three output values, I am putting that minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Among these three values, what is the least value? What is the least value? This is the least value. Our answer is minus 9 by 8. Next. What is the maximum value? 2. So this is the problem. It's a very important, or otherwise convert into perfect square, little bit lengthy. When sin cos is there, go for like this. So minus 9 by 8, 2. Okay, students, any doubt? Come on, I am going to apply that. This is also trigonometry, but this problem is not look like that in quadratic equation in cos theta. Either cos 2 theta, either cos theta. Different. How should I apply, sir? This is not the way. What is the correct way? Convert into square. Cos 2 theta formula in terms of cos mein bolo. Okay, students, shall I run? Sir, what is the reason behind that? What is the logic? The logic is, I will tell you later. First of all, write this problem solution. Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta can be written as 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus cos theta plus 3. So f of theta like 2 cos square theta, na? plus cos theta plus 2, 3 minus 1. So A is what, students? A value, this is the B value, C value, okay, right. Now substituting cos theta equal to T, cos theta equal to T, f of T is equal to like that, 2T square, I am giving the name not like that, 2T square plus T plus 2 to get minimum value, f of minus 1, f of plus 1, f of minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a, minus b into 1, 2a into, so again 4, 2, so minus 1 by 4, substituting, students, same, f of minus 1, 2 cos square theta plus 2, right, minus 1, positive, 2 minus 1 plus 2, 4 minus 3, okay, now students, 3, next 1, 4, this is the 5, minus 1 by 4, 2 minus 1 by 4 means 16, minus 1 by 4 plus 2, 8, 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 plus 2, 1 by 8, 7 by 4, 8 LCM, I think not visible, students, 8, 1, so 15 by 8, okay, this is the 15 by 8, what is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? Maximum value is 5. What is the minimum value? Minimum value, this is the minimum value, this is 2 point something, already 3, so this is the minimum, this is the maximum, write that, students. So minimum value 15 by 8, maximum value, this is the answer is minimum. Among these three, what is the least person? This is the least person, a 2 point something, this is the maximum. So final answer 15 by 8 comma 5, clear? Same like that sign, do that problem. Yes. Yes, students, last one. Sin theta equal to t square minus 4t plus 1, f of t. What is the minimum value? Write minus 1 plus 1, f of minus b by a, b by 2a, b value minus b by 2, minus b by formula is minus b by 2a. What is b? A value, b value. So minus 4 and 4 by 2, 2 into 1, 2, so 2, f of 2. Come on, students. What is the maximum? What is the minimum? Among these three, minus 1 whole square, 1, plus 4, plus 1, 4 to 6. Okay, 6 is the value. F of 1, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 2 square 4, 4 to 8 plus 1, 5 minus 8 minus 3. What is the maximum value? What is the minimum value? Maximum value, minimum value minus 3. Our final answer is minus 3 comma 6. This is the answer. Okay. Yes, what is the reason behind, sir? Why surveyor apply? Some like that. Logic is, I can say that logic is, yeah. This is a parabola graph. Every quadratic equation is the parabola, na? Parabola. This is the graph, like this. Okay. Maybe like this graph. This is, now I am applying that minus 1 minimum, apply that maximum. So this is the minimum value, maximum value. Next, sometimes figure. Students, this is the minus 1, this is the plus 1. For minus 1 maximum value, plus 1 is the minimum value. Sometimes like this. So this is minus 1, either plus 1, either minus b by 2a. So when you are putting these values, this is the maximum, this is the minimum, or substituting this maximum, this is the minimum. So 3 possibilities is there. So that is the reason. Quadratic minus b by 2a anedi is the vertex of the parabola. We will discuss in coming topics. No? Okay, first temporary limit is the best problem, students. Okay, this is the maximum, minimum, extreme values, boundaries, range, maxima, minima, range anna, maxima, minima anna. So all our vocabulary same, students. ఎలా వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం చేసి రండి. ఓకేనా, దిస్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. సో మోర్ దాన్ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ JEE మెయిన్స్ లెవెల్. Okay, even the advance is also easy. So this kind of shortering follow. Next class I will upload that video. That one, periodicity is the best problems. Periodic, what is the periodic function? Graphically, how can that? So maximum I will try to explain that in graphical way, periodic function. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, students. Bye.